Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create custom Instagram story templates. So here, what you need to do first is open the Instagram story camera. So click on the plus icon on the your story options. Then you can choose the background for the templates. You can tag a picture directly or choose one from your gallery. For example, here I've already chosen a background. Now you can click on the stickers icon at the top and tap on templates. So this is the template. You can just select what to pin, and if you want to change the default text or use the one from Instagram, you can click on this dices icon, dices picture, click on it, and you can see the text will change accordingly. You can just tap on it again to find the one that you want. Okay, I'm going to use this for example, and if you want the template to have the background of the photo of your photo that you've chosen and they cannot change it, here you can tap on this pin background at the bottom, so anyone can see this background on the template. And here you can select next, click on continue, and you can see this is how it will look like, but you can always edit it again if you want to. Here I'm going to remove this. For example, I'm going to change the text here. Okay, share song of your favorite sunset, for example, like this. You can click on done, and if you want to, you can also add other elements like this, and you can also pin a music to the templates. You can just click on this music icon at the top and then choose the music that you want. For example, you can click on this to go not showing the lyrics. You can click on this music only, click on done, and here you can just click on your story to share the template, so anyone can use the template that you created. And so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.